So if you are a Pinterest user and you're using that for your marketing, for your business or YouTube channel or Instagram or whatever you're doing, or maybe a product that you're selling, I just wanted to show you how to use the Canva bulk pin creator. This has been helpful for me when I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to make a pin from scratch, or I just want some different unique ideas on maybe pins that are attractive to people on Pinterest. You can use this tool in Canva. So I'm just going to do a screen recording and show you how to use this tool. Okay, here we go. I just want to do a little video on how to use the bulk pin creator for Pinterest on Canva. So you can go to your home page on Canva, and at the top just type in a Pinterest pin for whatever you'd like the title of the pin to be, and then you can click on Canva templates, and then you'll upload your media file, so the photo that you'd like to use for your Pinterest pin. And that will generate a few different options for you to choose from. And then you can select the one that you like, and you'll be able to customize it. So you'll be able to change the font, the color, the text, and even the photo if you change your mind on that. You can add a title at the top. And then make sure to link an appropriate piece of content that you have, such as a blog post on that topic, or a YouTube video, or an Instagram post, whatever it is that you want to link to that Pinterest pin. And then I actually took part of this blog post and copied it and pasted it in the Pinterest pin description. And then you can modify it as you need to, and just making sure you're having those good keywords in there that are searched on Pinterest. If you're interested in how to use the Pinterest Trends tool for keyword research, I do have another video on that, explaining how to use that to find good keywords that people are searching on the topic that you're sharing. So in Canva, you can go to share and then go to the scheduler, and that will allow you to schedule this pin for another day and time on your Pinterest board. So you can scroll down and select the board that you want to post to. Make sure you're writing a good title with those keywords in there. And then I had to modify that description quite a bit to get it closer to that 500 character range. And then I add the link to my blog post and select schedule. And there it is, ready to go up. I put it for a couple weeks from now, but then I decided to move it up sooner in my content planner. And there you go, that's how you use the Pinterest pin bulk creator in Canva, which makes it pretty easy to create multiple pins for one piece of content.